In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an Excel table. By the end, you will have a clean, structured table that is easy to work with. Start by opening your workbook in Excel. From there, wait until you see your spreadsheet grid with column letters along the top and row numbers down the left. If Excel shows a start screen with recent files, choose the workbook that holds your data or create a new blank workbook so you can follow along. Once the file is open and the grid is visible, you are ready for the next step. Now enter your data in rows and columns. Each column should hold one type of information, like name, date, or amount. Put the labels for each column in the first row, for example, date or total, so Excel can treat these as headers. Then type each record on its own row underneath those labels. A common beginner mistake is to leave completely empty rows in the middle of the data, which breaks the table range, so keep your data solid with no blank rows or blank columns inside the area you want to turn into a table. Next up, click any cell within your data range or select the entire range. If your data is in a solid block, a single click inside that block is usually enough because Excel automatically detects the surrounding data. If you prefer to be precise, drag to highlight from the top left cell of your data to the bottom right cell. When you see the selection shaded, you know Excel will use that exact area for the table. Once that is done, do one of the following actions to start creating the table. You can go to the Home tab, then choose Format as Table, which also lets you pick a style right away. Or you can go to the Insert tab and click Table, which takes you directly into the Create Table dialog. If you like keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on a Mac. All three methods open the same Create Table box, so choose the one that feels quickest to you. In the Create Table dialog box, first verify the selected cell range. You will see it written in the box and also outlined on your sheet with a moving border. If the range does not cover all your data, drag to adjust the selection directly on the sheet, and the dialog updates. Next, check My Table has headers if your first row contains column names, which it usually does when you labeled your columns earlier. If you forget this, Excel will treat that label row like normal data and add its own generic header names. When everything looks right, click OK. The dialog closes and Excel instantly converts the selected range into a formatted table. Your data is now an Excel table with built-in sorting and filtering, so you can work with it much more efficiently. If this helped you get your first Excel table up and running, give the video a quick thumbs up to help others find it, and subscribe if you want more simple Excel walkthroughs.